Good day, everyone. Today, I, along with my pair, Hein and Nadine, will be discussing about online publishing. This topic is really relevant in today's digital world, especially most of the information we read, watch, or listen to is now shared online. Now, sit back and relax. Lend me your ears for our interesting topic. Now, may I ask you a question? What is online publishing? When we say online publishing, it refers to the act of creating content and sharing it through the internet so that people can access it using digital devices like phones, computers, or tablets. Now, instead of printing books, newspapers, or magazines, content is uploaded online where it can be read, viewed, or listened to anytime and anywhere. Another important thing about online publishing is that it allows information to reach people faster and in a more convenient way. It also allows creators to update their content easily whenever needed. So unlike these printed materials that we use which cannot be changed once it is published. Now, let us move on to the five main purposes of online publishing. And I will explain this to you each one individually. First, we have share information and knowledge. One of the main purposes of online publishing is to spread information. Educators, researchers, journalists, and students use online platforms to share lessons, articles, news, and studies. Now, this makes learning more accessible because people no longer need physical books or newspapers to stay informed. Am I right? Yes. Now, for the second one is reach a wider audience. Now, online publishing allows content to reach people from different places around the world. So, unlike printed materials that are limited to certain locations. Now, when online content, it really is easily accessed globally because this helps creators connect with more readers, viewers, or listeners without spending money on physical distribution. Now, for the third purpose is encourage communication and interaction. Now, another purpose is to allow interaction between creators and audiences. Now, readers can leave comments, share content, or give feedback. So this makes communication more active and it helps creators understand their audience better. Now, for the fourth purpose, we have support creativity and self-expression. Now, online publishing really gives individuals the freedom to express their ideas, opinions, and creativity. Now, writers, artists, and content creators can publish their work without needing approval from traditional publishers. Now, this really allows more voices to be heard. Now, for the last one, the fifth one is support professional and academic growth. Now, online publishing is really important also in the professional and academic fields since the researchers and professionals publish studies and papers online to share their findings and collaborate with other researchers also. And this really contribute to their field because this helps knowledge grow and also develop faster. Now, examples of online publishing. Now, there are many forms of online publishing that we encounter every day. Now, this includes blog posts where writers share personal or educational content, online news, articles that keep us updated on current events, and digital books or magazines that people can read on their devices. Podcasts and online videos are also examples because they are published online for public access. Now, even emails, newsletters are considered online publishing since they also deliver written content digitally. Now, for the next one, we have the platforms used for online publishing. Now, in online publishing, it uses different platforms. Now, this depends on the type of content being shared. Now, these platforms can be grouped into three main categories. So I group it into three main categories. Now, first, we have the content creation platforms. Now, when we say content creation platforms, these are used to write and design content before or while publishing it online. Now, examples, it includes WordPress and Medium, which are commonly used for blogs and articles. These platforms are user-friendly and allow people to publish content even without advanced technical skills. Website builders like also Wix and Squarespace, they also belong to this category because they help users create websites where the content can be posted and managed easily. Now, for the second category, we have publishing and distribution platforms. Now, when we say publishing and distribution platforms, these really focus on sharing content with a large audience. Now, for example, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing allows authors to publish ebooks and make them available to readers worldwide. Now, platforms also like Apple Books and Google Play Books, these also help distribute digital books. Now, these platforms handle the delivery of content so the creators can focus on writing and producing. Now, the third category is the academic and research platforms. Now, the academic and research platforms, these are used mainly by the students, the teachers, and also other professionals. Now, websites like ResearchGate and academia.edu, this allows users to upload research papers, studies, and academic articles. Now, these platforms really help researchers like us share knowledge, receive feedback, and connect with others in the same field. Now, this really plays an important role in education and also the scientific development. Now, this shows how online publishing really plays a huge role in how we share and receive information today. It also allows knowledge to spread quickly and support creativity. This encourages interaction and helps both professionals, students like us, grow. Because of these different platforms, people can publish content that reaches audience across the world. Now, that would be all from my part. Thank you so much for listening.
Thank you, partner, for that interesting information. Now, to continue, here is a question. Have you ever wondered how news, articles, or school updates can reach so many people online so quickly? That's because of online publishing. At this time, I'll be talking about its advantages, how it's faster, easier, more effective than traditional ways of sharing informations, and how it benefits to readers, publishers, and the entire school community. Advantages of online publishing. First one is the wider reach. Online content can be accessed by anyone, anywhere in the world, not just in a specific location. Unlike printed materials that are limited to a certain area, online publishing allows information to be shared broadly, reaching readers from different cities, regions, or even countries at the same time. Number 2. Faster publication. Content can be shared with public almost immediately after it is created. Traditional printing requires time for layout, printing, and distribution. Online publishing removes these delays, allowing articles or updates to be seen instantly. Number 3, lower cost. Publishing online requires minimal financial resources compared to printing. There's no need to spend money on paper, ink, or physical distribution, making it more budget-friendly for schools, organizations, and students' publications. Number 4, easy updates. Information can be corrected, revised, or expanded anytime without reprinting. Mistakes can be fixed and new updates added immediately, ensuring that readers always have the most accurate and current information. Now, number 5, accessibility. Content is available to readers at any time and on multiple devices. People can read online articles or school updates on their computers, tablets, or smartphones, making it convenient for anyone to access information whether they are. Number 6, interactive features. Online content can include multimedia elements and tools that allow readers to engage with the material. Articles can have videos, links, images, or comment sections, which makes the content more engaging and allow readers to interact, respond, or explore related information. Now, number 7, environment friendly. It reduces the needs for paper and other physical resources, helping protect the environment. By publishing online, schools and organizations save trees, reduces waste, and promote a more sustainable approach compared to printed materials. Now, online publishing teams. An online publishing teams works together to make sure content is ready for online readers. Each member focuses on a specific task. Some writes the article, others checks for errors, some designs visuals, and other uploaded the content. By combining their skills, the team ensures that information is accurate, interesting, and easy to access, making the online publication effective and professional. Now, here are the key roles of an online publishing team. Number 1 is the content creator or the writer. The person responsible for creating the main content of the publication. They plan, research, and write articles, news, or updates to ensure the information is accurate, relevant, and easy to understand for the audience. They focus on developing a clear and engaging material that communicates the intended message effectively. Number 2, the editor. The person who reviews and improves the content before publishing. Editors ensure that the material is free for grammatical errors, well-structured, and coherent. They make sure that content is professional, polished, and ready for readers to consume. Number 3, designer and the layout specialist. The person in charge of the visual presentation of the content. They organize text, images, colors, and other visual elements to make the publication appealing and easy to navigate. A well-designed layout helps readers focus on the important information and improves overall engagement with the content. Number 4 is the publisher or the uploader. The person who posts and manages the content on digital platforms. They make sure that the articles, images, and other materials are displayed correctly and accessible to the audience. This rule ensures that the content reaches readers smoothly and functions properly on different devices. Number 5, the coordinator or the team leader. The person who oversees the workflow and ensures this team works together effectively. They assign tasks, set deadlines, and make the decisions to keep the project on track. The coordinator makes sure all roles collaborate effectively, ensuring high-quality content is produced on time. Now, overall, in conclusion, online publishing is an essential tool in campus journalism because it allows news, articles, and school updates to reach a wider audience quickly and effectively. It makes information easy to access, allows for updates and corrections, and engages readers through interactive features by working together. An online publishing team ensures that the content is accurate, visually appealing, and effective. Now, overall, online publishing not only benefits readers and publisher, but also strengthens communication within the entire school community.